Hello friends, and I welcome you all at Circuits Bazaar, and in this video we are going to study how you can interface LED to the Arduino using TinkerCad. So let's just start. So first of all, you just need to click on the circuits, then create new circuit. Now it will take you to the main page where you can experiment. Now this is the search bar. So in this search bar you need to search the component which you need. So first of all, because we are going to interface the LED to the Arduino, so the first two component we need is Arduino Uno or LED. So just search over here Arduino Uno R3. Okay, so this is Arduino. Now place it. So by mistake I have clicked 2, so you can delete this one. Delete it, right? Now next component you need is LED. So this is LED, so just take the LED. So we are going to connect the LED on pin number 13. Now as you know that on Arduino there is a inbuilt LED on the Arduino board which is by default connected to pin number 13. So this LED also we are going to connect on pin number 13, right? Now to connect it you just need to so basically there are two pin, anode and cathode. As you know that the anode pin, or you can say the positive pin of the LED, is always bigger. The leg size is bigger and this is smaller. Okay, so now cathode you need to connect on ground. So this is ground of Arduino. Now you can change the color of this wire as well. So this is green. Okay, but now I'm going to change the color to the black. Why? Because obviously it's negative, or you can say ground, so that's why I have changed the color of the wire black. Now this is anode, or you can say positive pin of the LED. So I'm going to connect it on pin number 13. Connected, and you can change the color of this anode wire from black to red. Okay, now it's fine. So we have connected our LED. So now you can simulate the LED. Just click over here, start simulation. Now you can see that LED is blinking at a 1 second delay time. So there is a inbuilt by default program in Arduino Uno of blinking pin number 13 of 1 second delay. So that's why it's blinking. We haven't uploaded any code, but still it's blinking because there is an inbuilt code in Arduino. Now you can change it. We will discuss that later. But here you can see that there is a alert message. So what it's saying, the current consumption of this LED is nearly like 47 milliampere. Okay, something like 4752. It's changing. But actual requirement of this LED current is 20 milliampere, so it's consuming large amount of current which can burn it. So what you can do, that you can just place a resistance between pin number 13 and the anode of the LED. So just stop simulation and click on this wire, just delete it. Now over here in the search bar just search the resistor. So this is the resistor, just click on this resistor and place it here. So I'm going to take the LED a little bit further from the Arduino so that we can make the proper connection. Okay, now connect the resistance. To pin number 13. Okay, now blink it, start simulation. So if I click on start simulation, now you can see that the LED is blinking at a time interval of 1 second, and there is no alert message over here. Why? Because we have applied the resistance. Now you can change the value of this resistance as well. If you will if you'll click on this, now the resistance value right now over here is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so instead of 1 kilo ohm you can select ohm as well, and you can change the value between 100 to 420 ohm, because that is sufficient resistance for like 100 to 420 ohm for this LED. So I'm going to change the value only 100 ohm. Okay, 100 ohm, and if I'll simulate it, now you can see that LED is glowing properly. So earlier value was 1 kilo ohm, which was very high, like 1000 ohm value was very high for this LED, because Arduino is supplying only 5 volt. So in that case you just need the resistance of 100 ohm to 420 ohm. Okay, so now you can see that LED is blinking. So now move to the next part, which is code. So just stop simulation and click on the code over here. Now you can code this Arduino using code blocks. So these are the code blocks. So, and these are some of the options. You can directly take these code blocks from here to here, so that you can program your Arduino according to your requirement, right? Now you can see that this is set built-in LED high. you know that which is set built-in LED, that is pin number 13. Now if you'll go to over here in the blocks, if you'll go over here text, if you'll click, then it will take you to the main code. Now you can see that LED built-in pin. Obviously you know that this pin is pin number 13, okay, but you can change it. You can change it here as well, or you can change in the code blocks as well. So now I'm going to again to the code blocks. So this is pin number 13, but now I'm going to change it to pin number 8. So what you can do that, just take this block from here to here, set pin, this block I'm taking here. Now I will delete this set built-in pin, I will delete it, delete the block, and now set pin 0. So I'll change this 0 pin to pin number 8. So this is pin number 8, so I'm going to program this pin now. Okay, now again this set built-in LED to low, I'm also going to delete it. Okay, delete this block. Now again take this block over here, this one, set pin. Now change it from pin number 8 to pin number pin number 0 to pin number 8. Now it's all we have done. So now you can see that earlier the pin number 13 was blinking, but now it will blink pin number 8. Just start simulation. Now you can see that nothing is happening on this LED. Why? Because right now the programming is running on pin number 8, not on pin number 13. So what you need to do, you just need to disconnect this pin and connect it to pin number 8. Okay, you can move a little bit resistance as well. Now if you will start simulation, then you will see the LED is blinking according to the programming, and programming we have done on pin number 8. So it's continuously on. Why? We just need to check the programming. For that you will go to code, and you will see over here the pin number 8 is high, and again it's high. So you need to make it from high to low, then it will blink. Now start simulation. Now you can see that this is blinking according to the code block programming. Okay, now let me just show you the text code. Stop simulation, go to over here and click on text. Now you can see that earlier there was built-in pin, now it's pin number 8. So whatever changes you will make in code blocks, you will find those changes over here in the programming. So let me just make some more changes. Now let me show you how you can change the time delay. So for that you just need to click on the code, and you can see that over here okay, so instead of only code block, you can just click over here block plus text. So here you will get the code as well, and in the real time you can see that how your code is changing. So now this is time delay 1 second, okay, because it's in second, so you just need to change it in millisecond so that I can better show you the time delay on the simulation. Now here from seconds to millisecond, you can see that over here it is converted into 1 millisecond. Earlier it was 1000, but now it's 1 millisecond. Okay, instead of 1 millisecond we are going to make it 100, because 1 millisecond delay is very small, so you cannot see through your eyes. 1 millisecond delay means when LED will blink, so you won't be able to see the 1 millisecond delay. Now this is from 1 to 100. Okay, and here as well you can see that in the code you can see clearly it's now from 1000 to 100. Now click on simulation. So you can see that LED is blinking at a very fast speed. So maybe you are not able to see it clearly because 100 millisecond delay is very small. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the time delay a little bit more. So instead of 100, I'm going to make it 500. It's 500 now, and click on this space so that you can get your circuit. Okay, now start simulation. Now this is half of a second, means 5 millisecond delay is half of a second, so you can now clearly see it. Okay, so this is how you can program your Arduino using TinkerCad. You can make this circuit as well, and you can program as well. And if you want to download the code, you just need to click on the code, and this is the code. You just need to copy this code, and you can save it you just need to burn this code and you can prepare your hardware and see the LED blinking over there. So this is how it's working. You can change the pin numbers through code blocks. So any of these, maybe according to your requirement, you need this one or you need this one. So whatever is your requirement, you can just drag and drop. You just need to drag it over here and it's done. It's done. Okay. If you want to delete it, then right click and delete block. So this is how you can LED interface on the TinkerCad using Arduino. And in the next video I'm going to use the breadboard as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.